Kitchen sponge holder. The iDesign Gia stainless steel kitchen sink caddy keeps cleaning supplies such as bar soap, sponges, scrub brushes, and more off the countertop and within reach. It's also great for organizing the bathroom. Open design with suction cup adhesion. This kitchen sink organizer features an open wire design that allows items to dry more efficiently after use, while the included suction cups maintain a secure hold in wet or dry conditions. Easy installation. To install the sink sponge holder, push the suction cups into place for a powerful hold on most smooth surfaces including glass, tile, fiberglass, some metals. Clean surface with alcohol, let dry before applying for optimal adhesion. Made with rust-resistant stainless steel, featuring durable rust-resistant stainless steel construction with a polished finish, the iDesign Sponge Caddy stands up to everyday use and is easy to clean with mild soap and water. Efficient style, measures 5.75 by 2.5 by 2.25 and creates instant sink storage in compact spaces. Plus, the sleek polished finish will complement any decor style. Top reviews from the United States. Good for price. This serves its purpose. It held up nicely for about a year. I bought another one to replace it. Good for sponge and hangs on tight.